Hello guys, welcome back from my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show about the creation of filter for changing the pipe color. Please follow step by step as I do. By default, pipe color is black or gray color. Even though you change the override color, pipe solid color won't be changed. Thus, we have to create a filter to change the color. Please follow as I do. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more useful videos. In this case, we have to create the system type first under the piping system. Create 4 system types for each pipes. Then, assign the system type for each pipes. Then, go to Visibility Graphics, command is VV, go to Filter, create the new filter. Just check on the piping. Click on the new. Set the rule for A pipe system type is equal to A.